guys, what is going on? So today, I know I haven't posted a lot of content, but there's a lot to explain. I'll explain in another video. So this is my friend Giuseppe. This is his 2018 WRX base, and we are doing, well, partially doing in this video a muffler delete on this car. Now, we're not hacking it or doing anything ghetto because this car does have a warranty, but we are doing nameless muffler deletes here and here. So all we have to do is unbolt those right there, those flanges, and that's it. And then there's a hanger. So the thing is, we don't have them yet. We have to go pick them up. But because of my work schedule and how far away he lives, we are just going to unbolt them, go buy them, and then I'll install them there. So that's, and we'll take you guys for the trip, everything too. We have to go like about 2 hours away to go get them. So are you excited or what?
Fuck yeah, dude. Finally get to do something with this thing.
Yeah. I mean,
shit.
It's not an STI.
It's definitely not an STI.
It's not an STI, but that came with the car, so. For
some reason. Oh, special edition.
Well, it's fancy, you know.
It stands out.
There's gonna be a lot more videos on this car, so to anyone who likes these, like and subscribe down below. You know, you guys know what to do. So this car, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of the work for him. So this car is really going to come a long way. This is stock form. This is the way it is. It has no modifications other than, turn your lights on real quick.
I don't know if it'll show it.
No, it'll oh my god, that's bright. So he did put those in himself. Things like fog lights, wheels, suspension, everything's coming. I mean, we are going into winter right now, so this is probably going to be it for right now. And just to give everybody an update on the Camry, I got new wheels. These are Lexus RX F Sport wheels. They're 18s, and they're pretty beefy. I'm doing a lot of motor work to this car right now in terms of just maintenance, and there is an exhaust getting put on in another video. But like I said, we're going into our winter season here in the Northeast, so really not much left to do on this until spring, and some other surprises. So semi-cold startup on a 2018 WRX with no mufflers.
That's badass.
Well, we're just gonna go run and do a couple errands, which I'll film. But then we're gonna head up to North Jersey, and I'll throw these on, the tips on, once we go get them.
Big cruising at 80 miles, 75.
Boosts is in, boys. It's actually kind of warm out. Oh, wow. 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 So I just installed them and I didn't film it, but I'm gonna go to the back and let you guys get a little bit of a sound clip. It only took like 5 minutes to do it, so give it a little bit. Oh, it sounds so much better. I know you guys might not be able to you can kind of see them. I'll try to lighten this up in post-edit, but they definitely sound good. And he only paid $200 for them. It took me like five minutes to put them on. And just for the sake of showing you guys how far we are, let me go to my here. He'll go to his map. I'm not getting my exhaust, by the way. I said screw all that.
So we're up here.
So we're the blue dot up there. That's the top of New Jersey. And I live all the way down there. Yep, like right in that. I live right in there. So we're here. I live down there. Crazy. The car does sound better though. We'll keep you guys updated. So we have stumbled upon a Target, but not just any Target. A Target with a parking. Oh my!
What? What just happened?
You stalled the car.
That's not supposed to happen.
Oh
what
my!
What is happening?
What are you doing?
I don't know.
You're on drugs, bro.
I don't know what's going on.
Wow.
That's not supposed to happen.
Don't
do that.
You have a brand new ass car with your non-driving ass.
I don't know what happened, dude.
Oh, sure.
Shut up.
Doing a first gear send it under warranty pull.
Under warranty pull. Just don't expect much.
Just fucking first gear and disappear, bro.
It's gonna be second gear.
Oh my god, you should have done a first gear. You fucked up.
That's alright. We'll find a tunnel or something.
Yeah, because we're gonna find a tunnel in New Jersey. The fuck? Send it for the boys at home.
This one's for you guys.
Send it for the club!
What? That just cracked, dude?
I think that
just
either cracked or cracked your clutch.
I don't know, something. Either one.
Okay.
All I heard was a huge crackle at like 55 RPMs. 5,500.
Yep. That's how it is. So we just got back. I didn't get my exhaust because we didn't really feel like it. But so these are the tips. We're gonna do more of like a review video next, but they're way bigger and the car just sounds way better. Like, just go give it a little something. He's Audi. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for any other videos. Later.